Hello and welcome to Panther Financial Services. This is Pranav Patil. Today we will discuss simple four tips for a trading, which it will help you to do your trading at the best level. So first we will understand what is trading. Trading is basically when you buy any security purely from a short-term perspective or speculation gain perspective, and once you get a profit or target the price, you sell it off. That is in a simple word. That is called as a trading. Now there are different types of trading. One is a FO trader, one is a intraday trader, one is a swing trader. FO trader is like basically the person who does the trading in the futures and option, that is called as a FO trader. Now swing trader is like a BTST. You buy it today and you sell it tomorrow, or you sell it today and you buy it tomorrow. For a short term 1 or 2 days perspective, that is called as a swing trader. Third is a positional trader. Positional cash based trader means the person who looks for a good securities, and whenever he sees the good price, he just simply acquire it, and whenever his target price comes, he close it purely on a cash based trading. This is all about the trading basically. So majorly we have seen FO trader, second is intraday trader or swing intraday trader, third is swing trader, and the fourth is a positional trader. These are the basic four types of trading. Now which are the four rules it will help you? First is a have your own philosophy, create your own philosophy. What does it mean? Basically it means decide your principles while doing a trading. Let's say I will work only into the banking stock, I will work into only into the IT stock, or I will work only into the mid caps or large cap stock, or I will work into this strike price only. Let's say if you are a FO trader, I will work with the 100 points upside nifty and the downside 100 points strike price only. Suppose the nifty price is 15,500, max my buying criteria or selling criteria will be 1500 600 on the upper side, on the downside 1500 15,400 strike price. So this is the philosophy. It is why I'm saying it is very important. So if you create this kind of philosophy, you think from that perspective only. That's the reason it is very important to have a philosophy where you want it to work, or which are the securities you will work. So this is first criteria. Now second is, once you decide the trade or the securities, second is very important, set a positive vibrations. Positive vibration in the sense, most of the people, what happens, they see okay, they got the buy trade in a particular strike price on the options, and the nifty comes down by 30%. Oh, market नीचे जा रहा है, I should quit it, और कितना नीचे जाएगा, they get a panic type. So have a send a positive vibes. Okay, my trade is going to be a positive. Think from that perspective. Don't send any negative vibes. See, understand, at the end of the day, whatever thoughts you send it to the market, it is what you get in the return. So it is very important what kind of thought process you create and what kind of thoughts you send it. So second is very important, think positive on your trade. That's it. If you are a trader, you should not be think much about the downside or the upside. Your point should be stick to your trade. My trade is going to be a profitable irrespective of it is a short or buy. Now third is, don't watch the HGX. So mostly what happens, when the trader or the person who takes a position into futures, he gets a panic after the market as well. So what they do basically, they continuously overnight or till 11 em or till 12 in the night or 6 in the morning, they will continuously watch the HGX. Have you ever thought, अगर मैं नहीं देखूंगा तो क्या होगा? Just try it. If you are watching a continuously HGX price, कुछ भी आपको फायदा नहीं होता उससे. See, at the end of the day, market has closed, right? So it doesn't make any sense to watch that HGX. जो होना है वो होगा ही next morning में. So it doesn't make any sense to watch continuously and send different vibration. It's a better to stay away. Once the market is closed, you don't need to watch continuously and think differently. Because what happens once the market is closed, 50 points market ejects, नीचे आता है, and you are into buy, you said entire night you don't sleep, and the which indirectly impacts on your family and the other things as well. So very important, don't watch the ejects. Ejects is required for a fund manager level or the person who has a good amount of portfolio. Even they don't watch it continuously. It just to track the how the global markets are doing it. Or the person who does a churning in the ejects, they, for those people it is very important. So third is simple point, don't watch the SGX Nifty. Now, the last parameter is the global markets. Mostly what happens, people, of course, all the global markets work into the sync, but not into the same proportionate. What happens, sometimes Europe goes by up by say 2.5%. Not necessarily in India will also, Indian markets or Asian markets also take some, but sometimes it takes time as well. You must have observed it. Have you ever एक्सपीरियंस की ओके आज 2% यूरोपियन मार्केट्स आर अप और अमेरिकन मार्केट अप, जो नेक्स्ट डे इंडियन मार्केट्स इज गोइंग टू अप ओनली. Sometimes it doesn't work, right? So even if you look at the global markets, what vibrations you are going to send it, the entire point I'm trying to make it, your position is not that big, or your position is not that diversified into global markets. Say if I'm buying in the Indian markets, if I'm selling in the European markets, or if I'm hedging in the global markets, that time it is very important to ensure your trades is hedged, or counter trade is ready into global markets. That time it is very important. But if you are having a 1 lot, 2 lots, or 5 lots, or 10 lots in our market, it doesn't make any sense to watch it. Entire point I'm trying to make it is, it will help to make your mind calm. That is the entire point I'm trying to make it. Because if you take a decision in hurry, or if you take, if you face any loss, and to cover that, if you place the counter trade in a panic, you are going to face the consequences in a similar way only. It is my experience, and I have seen a lot. That's the reason I'm saying trading is, getting a success in the trading, it is simply having a peaceful mind. Irrespective of your trade is into minus or plus, you need to have a peaceful mind. This is what I have observed, and that's the reason I'm trying to give you this 4 simple tips. Now another points we will make it, I didn't mention in the first point, have the philosophy. So philosophy in terms of, you also look, you will have to look at it, where you will book the profit or book the loss. Have you ever thought why algo trading is going drastically on the upper end, as in why algos are making a huge profits, or the volumes are making algo trading is higher? Why it happens? It is because they are principle oriented trading. So it has been decided when the algo trades happen, where to stop and where to book the profit, it is decided. So that's what I'm my point. If you are if your philosophy is, let's say in option, if you are working 10 points upper is the profit, 7 point is the stop loss, you have to stick with it. See, generally what happens, 90% people थोड़ा टाइम वेट करते हैं और उसके बाद वो ऊपर जाता है, एंड दैट्स द रीजन दे मेक अ माइंड, ओके स्टॉप लॉस, मतलब ठीक है हम लोग नेक्स्ट ट्रेड में वेट करेंगे थोड़ा. This is the problem happens, and they get a issue with their returns. Have a principle that, okay, my trade is 10 rupees profit or 10 rupees loss or 7 rupees stop loss. If you are working into that perspective, especially in the options I'm trying to make it, when you place the order, if it is executed, put the counter as well, put the counter orders for a stop loss and the target as well. Just try it. Not necessarily every trades will hit on the target, or not necessarily every trade will hit on the SL side. And try to be a quality trade. What happens, people get into the scalping. Basically market नीचे जा रहा है तो नीचे और put buy करो, 10 पॉइंट नीचे immediately close करो. So what my point is that, try to be patient, peaceful mind, and take a decision, and be a philosopher, value based trading. Value based in the sense your principle should be applied into trading business. It could be any principle, whatever you think, like you wanted to work into bank nifty or banking stock or bank nifty options or nifty options or stock options, wherever you wanted to work, have the principles, and those principles will be created by you only for yourself. It cannot be taught or teach by anyone. It depending on your psychology for the trading, because everybody has a different appetite for a trading. That's the reason I'm saying. So we have, in this video we have learned four tips. I'll just recap the entire discussion. One is a value base or philosophy you have to create it. Second is send a positive vibration, like my trade is going to be a positive. The third is going to be don't watch continuously SGX. And the fourth is don't watch global markets like Asian markets or European markets or American market continuously overnight. You don't have any job after market closing, and so you continuously you just go through the okay down नीचे गया now ऊपर गया अपना market ऐसा जाएगा. You send this kind of vibration indirectly, it hammers your returns as well. If you think it is not hammering, try it in the next 50 days. Try this philosophy. Okay, I will not watch the SGX or anything or global markets. Let's see what returns I'll get it. If you get the benefit, try to utilize these things. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this discussion. Have a great day ahead.